Happy Friday. I hope you are having a great last day of the week, especially coming off of a holiday weekend if you're on the US, in the US, post Thanksgiving, that very coming back from, yeah, Thanksgiving's holiday. I wanted to share a couple of things. One is that the overly rescheduled time management workshop is going to be this Sunday at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. You do not want to miss it. I promise you, especially because we're in the last month of the year. So much going on. Time management is so important, and I'm going to teach you how to be so intentional with your time that you have no choice but to be great at it. I want to actually preview so I can see what is happening on Facebook. Apologize for that. Oops, I apologize. I don't know what I just did there. Anyway, I wanted to share that. So yeah, that's going to be happening this Sunday. So I hope you can join me. I'm going to teach you about time, what time is, what time isn't. We are going to go through how to intentionally use your time. I'm going to teach you how to use the Eisenhower matrix to manage your time. I'm going to teach you a tried and true method to sit down, get all the tasks that you want to have done, prioritize them in terms of whether you're going to schedule them or delegate them or not do them or put them off for later. And then I'm going to teach you how the first thing you do is actually scheduling your free time, which many of us don't do. We kind of like leave leftovers for ourselves. So that's going to be happening this Sunday at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then the next few weeks, I'm going to be doing a series on home for the holidays. So we're going to be talking about burnout, dealing with family, all that fun stuff that comes up around the holidays. And then to wrap up the year, we're going to talk about setting goals and having actually like impossible, quote unquote, goals. And the reason I call them impossible is because many of us believe that like certain things are impossible. And I just want to show you that if another human being has done something, it's very possible. And you could also be the first human being to do it. So we're going to talk about that later in the month. So excited about this month, sharing all of that with you. And I also have been just working on a series on the podcast about how to manage your mind, how to intentionally choose your beliefs and your thoughts, and then also how to be so intentional with setting your goals and deciding ahead of time who you want to be and how you want to show up. Last but not least, I am planning on a mommy makeover workshop. It's going to be a week series. We're going to be navigating mom guilt and overwhelm and time and just all the things, dealing with relationships, dealing with your kids, all of that stuff. So more details on that will come soon. I cannot wait to work with all of you, and it's going to be such a great December. If you are interested in up-leveling your life as a mom or as a human being, you don't have to be a mom to work with me, but I primarily work with moms, especially moms in the medical field, just to teach you how to create work-life balance, how to prioritize yourself, how to show up in the relationships that you're in as the best version of yourself. I have been so inspired by my clients this past month, just sharing all their wins, their breakthroughs. Just got off a call with my client, Amanda, who just launched a membership. She's a mentor. She's just launched a membership. She's doing amazing work. Her marriage is thriving. She is killing it in business. She's killing it at work as a nurse anesthetist. My other clients are losing weight. They are having better relationships. They're doing better work. So it's been just inspiring for me to see what's possible for them and how me helping them visualize their future and what they want to be and how they want to show up is actually like working. Because yeah, we spend so much time thinking about taking action instead of actually thinking about changing our thoughts and deciding on purpose how we want to think and how we want to feel. So if you are interested in working with me, I am opening up coaching slots. So how it works is that you would book a breakthrough consultation call with me, which is a free call. We spend 1 hour kind of identifying your thought patterns, the areas that you want to work on. And from this call, we create a strategy. We decide together whether we're a good match for each other. And if we are, we start working together to create your best life, right? I know that for many of you, what you want to do is be fulfilled in your motherhood journey, be fulfilled as an employee, have thriving relationships, raise good and kind kids, and really make time for yourself. So if this is you, I would love for you to join me on a consultation call where we can map out your best life ahead. 2022 is around the corner, and this could be your year. My amazing clients have had such amazing results this year, and I'm not just saying that just to pump them up. They really have, and it gives me so much joy to work with them. And so, yeah, if you think that working with me is something you're willing to consider, you can either drop a comment in the comments and I will send you the link to book a consultation call with me. I'll also add the link to this video in case you want to do that. And then last but not least, you can also just drop an emoji that will in the comments. That way I know that you would like to set up a call, and that gives me sort of consent to reach out to you in the DMs and send you my calendar so we can work together. I know that many of us are looking for the thing, right? We want to feel the great feelings. We want to have the great journey in motherhood. We want to have a good experience at work. There is a certain amount of mental work that is involved. And if you are willing to work on those things, and if you're willing to feel negative emotions, on the other side of this is so much fulfillment. And I cannot wait to work with you. So have a good rest of your Friday. If you're going to come to the time management workshop on Sunday at 6 p.m. Central Time, I cannot wait to see you. Have a great day. Bye.